Here's the Lambretta X300 Casa Limited Edition. This isn't just any scooter, it's a handcrafted Italian masterpiece wrapped in exclusivity. With only 999 units ever made, this beauty blends heritage, performance, and style like no other. Let's unpack what makes it Casa-worthy. First off, you can't miss the sleek new livery. A two-tone matte and gloss finish, embossed logos, and custom 47 number plate, a nod to Lambretta's 1947 founding, all make it look like it hopped straight off a Milan runway. Throw in carbon fiber aero panels, windscreen, and spoiler by Casa Performance, plus that iconic fixed fender, it's heritage reimagined for the modern rider. And those Pirelli Angel tires. Grip gains strong. Under the seat, it's the same potent 275cc single-cylinder engine as the standard X300, putting out around 24.8 horsepower at 8,250 rpm and 24.5 Nm of torque at 6,250 rpm, enough to zip around town without sacrificing style. You've got Bosch EFI, CVT transmission, ABS, LED lighting, keyless ignition, and a full-color TFT dashboard. This ride also comes with house-made flair, a certificate of authenticity signed by Casa Lambretta's owner Vittorio Tessera, exclusive gift box including t-shirt, cap, badges, stickers, key ring and water bottle. It's a collector's dream. But how much does all this Italian allure cost? The Casa edition retails at £5,999, or roughly 8,000 United States dollars. That's a fair climb above the standard X300 SR and GP variants. So what about in the Philippines? The regular X300 hasn't officially launched yet, but local sources speculate a rough price of around 450,000 pesos for the base model.